Manipur today recorded one more COVID-19 positive case. The male patient is a Chennai returnee, an official release informed. The 26-year-old man hails from Imphal West. Meanwhile, 2 active cases tested negative for COVID-19 today. With the recovery of 2 patients, the state now has 23 active cases of the virus. Airports Authority of India, Imphal International Airport, put to test its preparedness for resumption of flight operations today. According to a release from Airports Authority of India, Imphal International Airport, all stakeholders took part in the exercise. The number of COVID-19 positive cases continue to rise in Assam. In a biggest single-day spike, the state has reported 26 fresh cases. The COVID-19 tally has reached 266 in Assam now, out of which 198 are active cases, 54 have already been discharged, 4 have died of the disease and 3 have migrated. India today reported another highest single-day spike with 6,654 new cases of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, taking the infection tally to 1,25,101 according to data released by the Union Health Ministry. The death toll related to the respiratory disease stands at 3,720 today. Over 5 million people have been infected with the novel coronavirus globally, including 3,38,183 deaths. In connection with Eid-ul-Fitr, Hayal Labuk Zilla Parishad member K.H. Rajmohan distributed essential commodities to 500 households of Hayal Labuk today. Rajmohan also wished everyone, especially the Muslim brethren, on the occasion for a peaceful and prosperous state. Cyclist and social activist Rohan Film reached out to Singamayam Rajmuddin, a bedridden man. Rohan presented him with daily essential commodities yesterday. Rohan's help came after TOMTV carried a story on the life of Singamayam Rajmuddin. The death toll due to Cyclone Amphan in West Bengal has risen to 85 as angry Kolkatans resorted to protest and road blockades in various parts of the city over the administration's failure to restore normalcy even after 3 days, as per media reports. With normal life thrown out of gear by the region's worst weather disasters, the authorities scrambled in various parts of the state to restore normalcy. Even as medical journal The Lancet published a paper on Friday saying there were no confirmed benefits of anti-malarial drug hydrochloroquine HCQ being given to COVID-19 patients, the Union Health Ministry issued an advisory expanding the pool of people to be given the medicine as a prophylactic to prevent them from contracting the infection.